Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the common Cash App issue where a recipient's account is unable to accept payments. This problem usually happens on this recipient side and is often easy to resolve. First, the recipient should open Cash App and tap their profile icon to access account settings. From there, go to the Privacy and Security section where the key settings for receiving payments are located. The first important setting is called Incoming Requests, or Allow Others to Request Money. Make sure this is turned on so payments can be received. The second key setting is Allow Others to Find Me. This needs to be enabled so users can locate the account by a cash tag, phone number, or email. Once both settings are enabled, the recipient should try receiving payments again. In most cases, this immediately resolves the issue. If the problem continues, it may be due to account restrictions, verification issues, or technical glitches. In this case, the best next step is to contact Cash App support through the app. Use the chat feature to communicate with a support agent and clearly explain the problem. Include the exact error message and any troubleshooting steps already tried to speed up the resolution. Following these steps will help recipients fix payment acceptance issues and get back to using Cash App normally. Thanks for watching, and I hope this solution helps you resolve the issue quickly.